7 natural remedies that will make you look 18 again. Today, you can find hundreds of anti-aging beauty products at any grocery store, and even more of them online. Their manufacturers guarantee masks, cleansers, and creams that are 100% natural, super effective, and even magical. But can you really trust them? When manufacturers produce goods in mass quantities, it makes sense that they want to turn a profit. So they add preservatives and chemicals to take down production costs, but also make these products not exactly 100% natural. Brightside has found a solution for you. 7. Coffee and milk mask. Do you always start your day with a cup of joe? Hit the like button if you're a fellow coffee lover. But did you know that your favorite drink can not only wake you up in the morning, but also turn back time? Young and fresh skin with coffee and milk? Really? No joke. Many cosmetic companies actually use coffee in their products. It can help thicken your hair, get rid of cellulite, tone your skin, and stimulate your metabolism. Milk, the second main ingredient of this amazing mask, is also a superhero when it comes to saving you from the aging process. It exfoliates and moisturizes the skin. So, grab a bowl, some unused coffee grounds, and some milk, preferably raw. You'll be combining the coffee and milk in the bowl, but it's important that you get a thick paste when you mix the ingredients, so stick to the recommended ratio. 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of milk to 1 tablespoon of coffee. Stir the mixture until it's thickened into a paste. When it's ready, you can apply it all over your face, avoiding the eye area. Give the mask 15 to 20 minutes to work its magic. You can then rinse it off with warm water. You will see immediate results. Your skin will be glowing and radiant. Incorporate this procedure into your regular beauty regimen, and you'll love the results over time. 6. Flaxseed mask. Flaxseed, the main ingredient in this mask, will give your skin the tone and hydration it needs. Flaxseed is rich in fatty acids, and it stimulates oil production in your body. It makes your skin soft and protects it from environmental irritants like dust and air pollution. It also locks moisture into the skin. Young, plump, and firmer skin. That's what you can anticipate if you use this mask. The other ingredients in this mask are Greek yogurt and honey. Yummy and readily available, right? The lactose in the yogurt removes dead skin cells, and honey is a natural moisturizer. Here's what you're going to need. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Simply mix the ingredients together in a bowl and apply the mask to your skin. Use a face mask brush for application if you don't want sticky honey fingers. Wait about 10 minutes for it to dry. Rinse it off with warm water and you're done. 5. Vitamin Balm Mask. Vitamins are important for your health. Take your vitamins. Are you sure you're getting enough vitamins? We hate to admit it, but Mom's right. So why not listen to her for once and give your skin the vitamin treatment it needs? In this mask, you'll be getting vitamins A, B, and C from apricots, which will help make the skin more elastic. Our other ingredients, bananas, is rich in vitamins C and B6, which will give your skin a healthy glow. If your taste buds love these delicious fruits, your skin will too, right? You're going to need 1 apricot, 1/2 a banana, and 1 tablespoon of lukewarm water. Start off by peeling the apricot and the banana. As for those apricot seeds, get rid of them. We won't be needing those. Chop up the fruits and throw them in a blender along with the water. If you don't have a blender on hand, a potato masher will get the job done too. Blend or mash the ingredients into a creamy mix. Once your mask is ready, spread it all over your face, avoiding the eyes, lips, and nostrils. After 20 minutes, you can rinse it off with cool water and check out your results in the mirror. 4. Strawberry and egg white face mask. Do you like strawberries? Let's start a strawberry fan club. Hit the like button to join. If you're not with us, you're against us. Hey, we're just kidding. But if you are a fan of strawberries, here's one more reason to love them, or at least show them some respect for their anti-aging superpowers. Yes, strawberries contain the antioxidant ellagic acid. It boosts collagen production, which in turn fades fine lines and wrinkles. Egg white, the second ingredient in this mask, is also good for skin rejuvenation and firming. All you need are 3 to 4 strawberries and 1 egg. That's it. Start by separating the egg white from the yolk. Remember, you only need the white, so toss the yolk. Mash the strawberries, whip the egg white, combine them in a bowl, and apply the mask to your face. Can you already feel your skin tightening? Yep, it's working. 15 minutes a day will be enough for this mask to work its magic. When the time is up, rinse it off with lukewarm water. 3. Cocoa Coconut Mask. No, we're not stuttering here. Cocoa and coconut are an anti-aging dream team when combined with yogurt to make a soothing and exfoliating mask. Getting rid of dull, dead skin cells reveals new gleaming skin. Cocoa powder also works as an antioxidant, flushing out those free radicals that attack your skin on a daily basis. Let's grab our ingredients. 1 teaspoon of virgin coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of plain Greek yogurt. Be careful, you don't want to use cold yogurt straight out of the fridge as it will harden the coconut oil. So make sure all the ingredients are room temperature. Blend them together and put a thin layer on your face, neck, and chest. Yes, your neck and chest can also tell your age. It only takes 10 to 20 minutes to reap the rewards from this mask. Use warm water and a washcloth to rinse it and apply your favorite moisturizer afterwards. This mask works for all skin types. We're halfway through the list. Which of the masks do you already want to try? Is it the strawberry one? Remember, the point isn't to eat the ingredients, but to apply them to your skin. More yummy skincare recipes are on their way. Avocado, blackberries, apples, all of them will soon become your age-fighting troops. 2. Avocado and olive oil mask. Guacamole is made from avocado, so obviously, avocado is an awesome fruit. Besides satisfying our taste buds, avocado also can help us in our skincare routine as it's super rich in oleic acid and vitamin E. Both of these are great natural skin moisturizers, reviving your skin structure and protecting you from environmental toxins. Olive oil is also really effective when it comes to fighting off those pesky wrinkles. What you'll need are 2 tablespoons of avocado pulp and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Simply make a puree-like mix out of the ingredients and apply it generously all over your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off to reveal your new skin. 1. Rice Milk Cleanser. Have you ever wanted to know the secret to Japanese beauty? All those wrinkle-free women that seem untouched by time. It's sometimes impossible to guess their age. Do you want to be like them? Well, rice could be the answer to all your problems. The Japanese have been using rice in their skincare for a really long time because it's rich in vitamin E. Follow our recipe to make a natural skin-smoothing cleanser. Grab 1/4 cup of brown rice flour and 2 to 3 tablespoons of unsweetened organic rice milk. Rice milk adds calcium to the mix, but you can replace it with water if you like. Mix together the rice flour and rice milk into a smooth paste. Once that's done, massage it into your skin using circular motions. Basically, just do what you normally do with your own facial cleanser. You can then rinse your face and put on your toner and moisturizer. Try these DIY beauty treatments and watch people's jaws drop when they get a look at your beautiful young-looking skin. Share this video with those who also deserve to know the secrets to fighting Father Time. And make sure to like the video if you found it useful. Subscribe to our channel to join us on the bright side.